Hey guys, welcome back to Sabers Forever. I'm John, and today we're going to finally talk about a lightsaber again. And this one happens to be a Starfall Saber with a crystal reveal. This is, I have to say, one of the most photogenic lightsabers I've had in my studio in a long time. And I'm really excited with how it turned out. So without further ado, let's dive in and I'll show you exactly what's going on. So was I kidding or what? I mean, it's definitely a very photogenic lightsaber. I love piecing together, you know, the different parts of the saber that Nick used to build this, and it's super rad. I'll let you guys figure it out for yourselves, but there's really not too much to this lightsaber. The bottom, this whole section just comes off. You use your Allen wrench, which is supplied. You loosen this screw, back it out. I would do like 1.5 turns because it's a snug fit on the inside with the chassis, and you don't want the screw to accidentally catch. So here's your battery. There's your soundboard and your speaker, and then your crystal reveal, your auxiliary, and your power. And let's see if I can get a shot here. That is the stock V3 Quick Connect, the NPXL Quick Connect. So this battery, you can just pull it out like that, and then put to charge it. And then to, you know, there's no kill switch or anything. So just as long as the battery is in, there's power to the board. So just stick your bottom back on, and something that's really neat is the crystal changes according to the font or the color that you set the blade.
Battery level.
So you have like a yellow, a white, purple.
Hero's Journey. Ezra Bridger. I'm ready.
If you will not turn to the dark side, then perhaps she will.
Hello, Master. It's been a while.
Just a simple wanderer.
So the customer purchased and sent some additional sound fonts to be preloaded before I sent the saber back to them, which is a service that I offer. And I have to say, they purchased the dual font, the new the new kyberphonic font, and that font just fits really well with this saber. I mean, so rad. Every font has music. You would just hold the power button for a second and release. But yeah, apart from that, I mean, that's how you access the inside, and then the controls are all the same. You can find the controls online, but you do have color changing, which you can access by holding the auxiliary and tapping the power, and then you just twist it and it'll change to whatever color you desire. And then when you're done, just hit the power again. The saber will remember the colors when you remove the battery and everything. So whatever you put it on, you know, it'll just remember the font that it was last on. It'll remember the color settings that you had. The crystal will change colors with the blade, so you don't have to worry about that. What else? I guess if you wanted to start it without sound, you would double tap the power, and it starts with all the same features. You still get your flash on clash, which you can't see because there's no blade in. But yeah, basically, that's the entire rundown. I don't think it gets any easier than that. So yeah, and the charger just looks like this. So there is everything. That does it for this video, guys. So if you like what you saw and you want to see more, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, may the Force be with you, and I'll see you on the next one.